Hi there, I would like to reserve a table for two, please.
Of course, no problem at all. What time would you like to dine with us?
How about 7 p.m.?
Perfect. And may I have your name, please?
It's John Smith.
Wonderful, John. And is there any specific preference for your sitting? Window or inside?
Inside would be great. Thank you.
Noted. And would you like any special arrangements, such as decoration or dietary preferences?
Now, everything sounds great.
Great. We have got you all set for 7 p.m. John, can I grab your contact number just in case we need to reach you?
Sure, it's 555 1234.
Got it. Thank you, Don. Your table is reserved and we look forward to seeing you at 7 p.m.
Thank you so much.